Yeah, so what's your good name?
I'm Gaurav.
Gaurav. How do you prepare for the exam?
I took the books. I went to some coaching classes.
Okay.
They were run by a friend of my father's.
Alright.
So I studied for CLAT there.
Okay.
I took the classes for 2 weeks or something, and they taught most of the stuff there. And they gave sample papers. And I bought the books which they recommended, and I studied from that.
Right, Gaurav. So is this the first time that you're taking the CLAT paper? Okay, and how many questions did you appear on? So how many questions did you attempt today?
I attempted 150 questions.
150. And how would you rate on a scale of 1 to 5 the level of difficulty of the various sections, namely mathematics,
Mathematics must have been a 3.
general knowledge,
General knowledge was 4.
4, and English,
English was 4 again.
legal aptitude,
Legal aptitudes, if you knew the logic, then it was somewhere close to 2. Otherwise, you could also consider that a 4 or a 5.
oh okay, and logical reasoning.
Logical reasoning was easy, it must have been a 2.
So which was the most difficult section according to you?
According to me, I think the logical reasoning, if you really didn't know about it, if you had time, then it was easy. If you didn't have the time, because there were so many questions, so it turned out to be the most difficult section with respect to the time.
Okay, okay. Was there any question or a particular section or something that was new this year in the exam, or something that you came across for the first time?
No.
No?
All the
No
practice
surprises at all?
questions, no.
Okay, and anything which you would like to share about the paper, some specific question?
No, I think the logical reasoning section was the best to attempt in the way that it's very different from other papers. Other papers have English, maths and everything. So it's kind of repetitive when you give all the exams. But this paper, the logical reasoning section, really makes giving the paper very interesting.
Right, Gaurav, thank you so much for your inputs. Thanks.